Just brought up the fact that India lost some fighter jets. So let's be quite.
जब फार्म 47 के मसखरे वजारत दिफा जैसी हसास तरीन वजारत को चलाएंगे तो आपके ख्याल में पूरी दुनिया में पाकिस्तान की जग हसाई नहीं होगी। ख्वाजा आसिफ ने CNN को इंटरव्यू देते हुए किस मसखरेपन का मुजाहरा किया है, आप इस वीडियो में देखें।
Just brought up the fact that India lost some fighter jets. So let's be quite clear about this. Pakistan claims it shot down 5 Indian Air Force jets and a drone, as I understand it. India says there's no evidence of that, no proof. So can you provide more detail? Hold on. Can you provide more detail? And is this the response that your army spokesman threatened, or is there further action to come? Let's start with this very specific allegation of 5 fighter jets shot down. Where's the evidence for that, sir?
It's all over the social media, on Indian social media, not on our social media. The debris of these jets fell into Indian occupied Kashmir, and it's all over Indian media today.
You're the defense
and they have
minister.
admitted their media has.
The reason to talk to you today, sir, is not to talk about content all over social media. I'm sorry. It's not to talk about content all over social media. I'm asking you very specifically.